I wanted to show you this closer, the specimen box and the specimen card. It slides beautifully, and you can make very many different styles with this card. You can write your own notes. Here I've used Makistamps text stamp and their octopus, but you could add anything. Just your imagination is the limit. Limitation, if there's any. I love it. Then there's another one here. I changed the card. I made some alterations. There's also stamping, and then my Adventurers Club specimen label, which says views, maps and sketches of my travels in 1832, 39 and something. That's a beautiful little snippet, and it slides beautifully. This old grungy background is something that I just love, and it fits nicely. I will make more of these. They are my favorites now. I hope you liked it, and see you soon. Bye bye.